How to open PNC Bank account online in 2023. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily open PNC Bank account online. Now to do so is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. First things first, you want to head into your browser on your device and you want to search in for PNC Bank account application, as I've done so on the screen. Now once you do so, you'll get these links as you can see here. PNC Bank, open a checking account online, down below personal banking, standard savings account, basic business checking account. Select the type of account that you want to create, and in my case I'll just select this personal banking. You want to simply tap on it, and here you can see personal banking, and it's load up here. Now if you head back and if you want to create this checking account online, you want to simply tap on that particular DD as I said before, and then here it'll ask you for zip code. You want to simply enter in your zip code and submit it. Once you do so, here it'll ask you for particular details that you'll have to prompt through and submit in order to create account, and you'll be able to easily create account. So this way you can easily open PNC Bank account online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.